Hold on, what the heck is going on here? You're on a cliff edge. The exam is a 4-month monster charging it, and you have 4 hours to build a weapon. Surrounded by a mountain of notes, a graveyard of coffee cups, and pure panic. Hold on, to survive, let's understand a little bit of neuroscience. Wait, did I say understand? I meant deploy. We're going to launch a targeted strike on your brain's memory centers. To do that, we need a battle plan. Let's go to the war room. Okay, not that far. Stop. Yeah, that's perfect. Phase 1, Intelligence Gathering and Strategy, 30 minutes. Your mission is to find the enemy's weak points. Your brain is a lazy general. It wants to defend everything. We must tell it where to aim the cannons. First 15 minutes, reconnaissance. This is your satellite imagery of the battlefield. Gather the intel, syllabus, past papers, chapter summaries, your scribbled notes. Now, decode the enemy's plan. What's the format? Multiple choice? Essay? This changes everything. Where's their army concentrated? Which chapters have the most marks? The syllabus and past papers hold the secrets. Did the professor give away the targets? Look for key concepts or learning objectives. This is the cheat code to the final boss. After analyzing, create your hit list. Write down the 4 to 6 topics that are guaranteed to be on the exam. Ignore everything else. This is your sacred scroll for the next 3.5 hours. Phase 2. Forge the ultimate weapon, 90 minutes. Your mission is to build your Excalibur, a single, glorious cheat sheet. Take 2 to 3 pieces of paper. This is your arsenal. For every topic on your hit list, you will condense it into pure knowledge ammunition. 4 key definitions. Write only the term and a 3-word meaning. For formulas/theorems, write them clean and note what each symbol means. 4 core concepts. Use 1 bullet per idea, brutal simplicity. For diagrams/charts, redraw the 2 to 3 most important ones. Drawing is a memory superweapon. Oh wait, the magic isn't in the final sheet. It's in the brutal process of deciding what makes the cut. You're forcing your brain to identify what truly matters. Phase 3, Aggressive Memory Implantation, 2 hours. Your mission is to hammer the data into your neurons until it sticks. This is where we hijack the save function using those 2 methods. 1, the BLURT method. Take your cheat sheet. Look at a concept. Close your eyes. Explain it out loud like you're teaching a 12-year-old. Stumble? That's a memory leak. Immediately look at your sheet for 15 seconds, only at the part you missed. Close it. BLURT again. This is debugging your brain. 2, the Feynman technique on steroids. You're not just reading. You're performing surgery on your understanding, cutting out the flab, and stitching the core concepts together. The final drill? In the last 30 minutes, cycle through your entire cheat sheet for memory. Flag any weak spots. Spend the final 15 minutes only on the flags. You're making the retrieval path instantaneous.